Hello everyone. Chris and Adrian here, Vinotunes, putting together a review of items that we purchased along the way for our upcoming road trip, our road extravaganza. We're reviewing a Cuppet 26-pound washer. The model number is 1040603500. Cuppet is an appliance manufacturer based in Paris, France, and it may be produced. You may have to pronounce it as coupe instead of Cuppet. Oui, manure. Anyway, Adrian.
Yeah, it was really easy to read the manual. It's in English. Wording's interesting. It appears to have been translated directly from another language, so it's entertaining, but it was really simple to put together. We did make a couple modifications because we have it in our shower, so we had to put in some hoses at the top for easy fill.
Yeah, it comes with a hose already, but since we're hooking directly into a shower, I wanted to do something that we could screw into. And there's really no back pressure on it, so if you just get a hose over the top of the input for the water fill that's watertight, you're not going to have any water blowing out the top or anything. It's really kind of a neat operation.
We'll show it to you.
Yeah.
It was ordered weeks and weeks in advance, but it did take 6 weeks to arrive, and it was all but $165.
$165 on Amazon.
Mm-hmm.
What we found that when we operated the machine, it's very manual. It's not like your home machine where everything's done automatically. You do the rinse cycle individually and the agitation cycle with the fill, and the rinse is kind of a quick thing. But you set the timer for each operation in the wash cycle, which is really cool. And then that also means that you are able to see what rinses out of your clothing.
Yeah.
I mean, we always had that hose going out the back of the washer in the past, so and we're never aware, all the fine particulates and everything. So it's really very efficient.
Yes, it is. And the wringer wrings out the clothes spectacularly. Everything comes out relatively dry. And so we were able to get everything dried within a couple hours. We hung it outside. We got a special rack that we ordered. Also, it's a very small rack. It just lines up in the shower also. We'll show that to you. But everything dried out within a couple hours, and we were able to get our clothes put away all within a morning.
But if you were hard-pressed for time, you could actually wring your clothes out, because it's very efficient, and throw them on and not really be uncomfortable.
I agree.
Yeah.
Unless it's freezing cold out.
Yeah, that would be chill.
God.
Anyway, overall, we're impressed with this machine. We'd recommend it to anyone, even if you're in an RV or a small apartment. Our daughter got one.
Yeah.
It's just a great little machine. It gives you an appreciation for the mechanics of washing clothes and being efficient. You don't have to struggle with it.
That's right. Okay, let's show it to you.
Cheers.
Bye.
This is our RV washer. It is a Cuppet 1040603500. There's the drain plug down there. We're in the agitation mode right here. We got a water fill right there that I made to adapt with our shower here in the shower for the RV. It's pulling dirt out of our clothes. There's a filter inside there that needs to be cleaned after every use. And then over here, we got the handy dandy handy duty spinner. So will show up. Except for the spinner going crazy too. It's going to be a lot of fun. Looking forward to it. Okay, next comes the drain. We drain the mighty machine. Okay, turn the dial. Ah! Look at it coming out. Rushing out of the tube. Like a running stream.
I think it gets full in here, so what I'm going to do is...
It comes out at a pretty good rate. It's just not done. Look at all the dirt and water. Oh, the clothes.
Yeah.
Then we do one more wash cycle, just like we did, just to double clean it. Very efficient. Pulls it right out. Ready to start the second wash. We fill the tub with water. Come over here. This is like the rinse wash. Set the timer for 5 minutes. And we're normal there. Here's the timer. Very manual, but incredibly efficient. Got a lot of dirt out of the clothes right there, and it's a good thing. So let's finish this up, then we'll move it over to the spin cycle. Already did one load in the spinner, so what we do is we take a step out of the washer, place it in there. Get all the stuff out of there. Let me take this handy dandy anti-fly wheel here. It keeps stuff from flying out. Put it in there level. And close her up. Run a little rinse here in a handy dandy homemade adapter. The unit does come with this hose here, but I thought with the shower adapter it'd be better to have just a little screw-on mechanism here, like such, and then this just slides right on and off. That's it up. Get a little squishy thing going on there. And then I put on drain. So get the drain in out there, close that up. Close that up there. And as you can see, we've got water coming out now. Chance to rinse the basin here a little bit. Had enough dirt in there to almost pan for gold there. I'm going to put on 4, and once it reaches it, once the load balances out, it doesn't shake around very much. So we're still draining and spinning a little bit here, just getting it so the water all gets out of there. And as soon as that stops dribbling out down there, then you turn off the drain right here, and we let it finish its spin cycle. Right here. Oh, it shuts off automatically. Safety mechanism. Yikes. That's safe. It's a spin cycle. So you open it up here, move the anti-flywheel, and then as you feel these, they're just barely down. So what I do is I just kind of stir it up a little bit and then put it back in. I mean, it's only going to take maybe 15-20 minutes to air dry at this point. It's amazing. Turn it back up for another 3 minutes right there. About 30 minutes. You get a load of laundry done and you're off and running. And that's doing laundry in an RV. This will be reattached to its nozzle and we're ready to go, take a shower later on. It's looking good.